once again.
James here at Riley's Autos, and today we're going to change the headlights on this car, upgrade them to these LED H7 bulbs, and let's see the difference. So here we are before, and we're going to fit them. We're going to pull the headlight out. Don't you wish all cars were made like this? What a good design from Volvo. The headlight just comes straight out. Look at that, 5-second job. On the back here you got T20 torques, T20 torque bolts, and then you can get this cover off. Pop off this plug, and we're going to get this bulb out. And if you pay attention to the way it's coming out, like that, you got this little notch. It's dead at the top, so that would where the new bulb would need to go back in the same position. Here we have our LED bulb. I'm going to slide this piece off and insert it into the housing. Just clicks into place there. We're going to get our bulb, put it in, and twist it around until it locks into place. Okay, so we've had to take that back out, and our mistake, you can learn by there, we put this the wrong way around. So the bit with the plastic protruding out needs to face outwards. Put that back in place there. And we'll retry that. To make is on the back of the bulb here. It needs to face up where the top of the arrow is when it's clicked in place. And you got these little notches on the side here that click into place. Just like that. So let's twist it around level there. We're going to get these wires and place them in each hole here. If you can't see which one is negative or live, you can just put them in, try the lights, and if it doesn't work, swap them around. Plugged in, you can just tuck them out of the way there. Get our cover cap and slip it into place. And we're going to tighten up these bolts. Before we lock our locking pins in, we can see they're a bit corroded there, so we're going to get some LM2 grease and just paintbrush a little bit on there. We're going to lock those back into place. Difference on both sides. Look at that. You can see what a difference there that's made. are, LED, PX260, Osram, 6K. Five-year Osram guarantee on these bulbs. Reason why we like these so much, on this bottom section here, it's got all of the Canbus built in, so you don't get any errors on the dashboard of the car, and you don't need any Canbus blocks like you'd get on HIDs. All extra wiring and fitting, straight fitment bulb. It's LED, modernises the look of the car, and nice and simple, straightforward, just as easy as changing a standard bulb. And you can see there what a difference it's made. You know, it blends in perfectly with the daylight running lights, the DRLs on the bumper there. They're not different colours like they were before. A yellow on the top, and the DRLs with that 6K or 6000K colour. That's all done on this one.